everybody, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be talking about how to dress according to your body type. What body type are you and how to dress according to your body type? Oh my god, that's a science. Well, the key is to just balance the proportions of your body. So let's talk about how to choose what to wear according to your body type. For hourglass body types, you should focus on highlighting your curves and clinching your waist. Don't go for anything which is too loose because that will not complement your body. Saris are the classic attire that flatters the hourglass body shape. Go for fabrics like georgette and chiffon and create that flowy look with your saris. That will enhance your curves as well. Go for blouses that are well fitted and also have deep necks to enhance the look. Go for anarkalis. Anarkalis are clinched at the waist and have a flowing skirt, so those will definitely complement the hourglass body type. Go for lehenga and choli. A well-fitted choli with a flared skirt will look great on you. You can also choose a lehenga with embellishments and embroidery because that will flatter your curves. Go for salwar kameez. Salwars which are flared or even straight will make you look great. And also, you know what, they are very comfortable and give you the ease for movement. When it comes to western wear for hourglass figure, go for bodycon dresses. Bodycon dresses are designed to hug your curves and showcase your figure. You can also go for stretchy materials to highlight your waist, bust and hips. Go for wrap dresses because they are universally flattering for hourglass body type. You can also pair a peplum top with fitted pants or a pencil skirt to clinch your waist for a chic look. High-waisted jeans or skirts with crop tops will also highlight your waist and your curves. Now let's talk about how to dress up for a triangular body type. For a triangular body type, the key is to balance your proportion by drawing all the attention upwards around your shoulders. Anarkali suits with flared bottom. Wearing an anarkali suit and giving a flared bottom will give you a slimming effect and draw the attention upwards toward your shoulders. You can also try A-line kurta with straight pants. To draw the attention upwards, you can add jackets with kurta, which will draw the attention up. You can also have a lehenga choli with a crop top. Lehenga with minimal embellishments and dark color will definitely draw the attention upwards. Go for saris with statement blouse. Blouses that have exaggerated sleeves to draw attention towards your hands and shoulders will look great on you. Don't go for heavy fabric or heavy embroidery. Now let's talk about western outfits that go great with triangular body type. So the first one would be a structured blazer with a pencil skirt or well-fitted skirt. A structured blazer will give you volume at your shoulders and you will balance out your body. Fit and flare dresses. Fit and flare dresses will make you clinch at the waist and flow outwards, which will give a minimum emphasis to your lower body. Go for skinny jeans and pair them with boat neck tops, off-shoulder tops or felum top to draw attention to your shoulders. Wrap dresses look flattering on triangular body shape. You can also go for V neckline to elongate your torso. Stay tuned to C Bazaar for more such upcoming parts. Follow C Bazaar for more such content.